Hello everybody and welcome to Adventure Local. Today we're taking a road trip through Haast Pass and we're trying a different camera, so let me know what you think of the quality down below. And of course we've come to the famous boulder holder fence line. Tons of, oh, touched it. Well everybody, what you're seeing here is the New Zealand fantail. I think he's trying to court me. Welcome to Fantail Falls. So much like the bird we saw earlier, basically the waterfall itself is shaped like an upside down tail of a fantail duck. Now, I think it's time to ruin some of these tourist Instagram shots. It doesn't matter where we go in New Zealand, it seems that the hippie rock stacker generation tends to follow us everywhere. So I think all we can really do is meditate and destroy things. Come on! Oh, that's gonna break. Started.
Yes. And you wonder why you're single.
I know.
Why am I single, guys?
I'm so single, guys. Can't be that poisonous, so I'm just going. Nope. If anything, it just tasted a little planty. We're ending the episode here at Billy Falls. Well, that's it for this episode of Adventure Local. Thank you so much for watching. To support the show, please check out our Patreon down below. I will see you on our next adventure.